What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. This video is very special to me. It's a milestone for the channel, and it's the first mod that I'm going to be doing with the Ford Bronco Sport. And you're not going to believe this, but this is a sponsored video. A certain company called Car Trim Home reached out to me and said, hey, we really like your content. We subscribe to your channel. We like your videos. Are you interested in doing product reviews? Obviously, I said yes. So they sent me free stuff. It came yesterday. I've been talking to them like 2-3 weeks ago, and it finally came, and I'm really excited to open this. I don't know what's inside. They didn't disclose what they were gonna send, so let's do a little bit of unboxing, hey? All right, so let's look what we got here. Again, I don't know what they sent me. Nice. Well, okay, I kind of expected that they're only going to send me one stuff. I didn't know it was going to be, I don't know they were going to send 5 products, you know? Ah, all right. So, it looks like we have 4 door trims and a center console. All right, I know what you're going to say, Eric. They're not even real carbon fiber. Okay, to be fair, you don't really need real carbon fiber interior. I mean, this is an overlay for sure, okay? This product is actually made with ABS, so it's gonna be durable for sure. And, you know, the insulation is pretty self-explanatory. There's 3M tape backing, and unfortunately it didn't came with adhesion promoter or alcohol wipes, but you can literally find that at your house. So I don't even care if they're not real carbon fiber. It'll look great inside my Ford Bronco Sport. Thank you very much for Car Trim Home for sending me these stuff. I'm stumped, you know? Thank you again. I'm really happy to be working with you guys. All right, let's go outside and actually install these suckers in. Let's go. So, since it doesn't come with an adhesion promoter or alcohol wipes, you might want to wipe down all of the trims that you will be applying these overlays with alcohol or something that wouldn't leave any residue. So after cleaning your trims, you would want to remove the backing of the double-sided tape on every overlays, well, like so. So since they are overlays, you can literally just remove them with a heat gun, and that would soften the adhesion for the double-sided tape. And you just pull it out and then just clean the residue. So now that we removed all of the 3M backing tape, after 5 years, we want to make sure that everything is aligned. So my suggestion is start with the bottom or the top, doesn't matter. One side first, not on the side, because you will want to press it with equal force. So we're going to start from the bottom. Make sure it lines up with our rotary dial. Press it from the top to make your life easier. And if you live in colder environment like Canada, and so if you're installing this on -1 weather, I wouldn't recommend, but you know, a heat gun would actually help you, or heating up your interior when installing this. So we're done with the center console. Let's go to the door trims. Actually, for this one, I'm going to start on the top because there's a lot of thin materials to feed in. Boom, fits like a glove. So these overlays are not just for show. To think about it, they're basically a surface protector. And the areas that we're actually installing these, they're high contact surfaces. So what that means is normal wear and tear, you would see scratches being formed on these areas. So with these overlays, you're actually helping your vehicle to stay pristine. Car Trim Home actually makes a few other products for other makes like Toyota, Subaru, Nissan, hell, even Chevrolet. So if you're interested in spicing up your interior or exterior of your vehicle, go in the description below and I'm going to be leaving an affiliate link. So weird to say, affiliate link to Car Trim Home, and I would basically get commission for every sale that you purchase every single time that you use that link. So it would definitely help me. It would definitely help the channel to grow so I can keep making content like this, the Ford Bronco Sport, and hopefully the 370Z. So yeah, and if you like this video, guys, and if you think that this mod is, cheap, easy to do, hit the like if you haven't subscribed yet. I do 370Z and Ford Bronco Sport content, so hit the red button and then the bell so you get notified when I'm going to be releasing new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.